would you dance? The front, the back, or in the middle? First, let's get in and let's show you what the front looks like. Well, we've got to get down the front first though. This is how I do it. This is called Dreamstate.
What the hell, I want to get down there. Very glad I went to the toilet and I've got water. Let's go. The bar now. Merchandise. Dance floor down here. Okay, this is the tip. Go down the side. Less people, go down the side. Okay, we're doing it. Okay, let's go down straight through the middle.
Thank you. We'll see you next time. Ciao.
Woo! Okay, let's go, guys. Oh, here we go, guys.
Gareth Emery.
Welcome to the front of the stage. Is this where you'd be dancing? Let's see what the middle's like. Here we are. Or is this where you dance? Do you like this view though? Also get randoms to take videos for you because they're taller than you and embarrassingly take video footage of you dancing. Very embarrassing, but hey, we're keeping it real. My favourite DJ Gareth Emery is finishing up and I guess these people aren't really enjoying it, so we're waiting for the next one.
Next DJ up is Invasion. Woohoo!
Okay, time to test out dancing at the back. Is this more your style? What's more room at the back? If you zoom in on your phone, you can see the DJ. What do you think of this hard style actually? So where are you dancing? Front, middle, back, side? Bonus when randoms ban you.